Imagine transforming your home into a stylish haven without breaking the bank. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the best home decor stores of 2024. In 2024, finding the perfect pieces to elevate your home decor can be both exciting and overwhelming. With so many options available, it's crucial to know where to shop for stylish and unique items. This guide highlights some of the best home decor stores that offer a variety of designs, from vintage to modern. Whether you're looking for a cozy reading nook or a chic living room, these stores have something for everyone. First up, Anthropologie, known for its trendy clothing, but their home decor is just as captivating. Anthropologie offers a unique blend of styles that can transform your space into a cozy haven. From whimsical bedding to eye-catching rugs, you'll find pieces that add a fun touch to your home. Their eclectic designs are perfect for those who love to mix and match. Next, Pottery Barn, a favorite for over 70 years, offering a wide range of furniture and decor. Pottery Barn is perfect for classic, high-quality furniture and home accessories. They offer free interior design consultations to help you create your dream space. Third, World Market. World Market is a treasure trove for anyone looking to add a unique touch to their home. With a wide variety of affordable global decor, you can find everything from furniture to kitchenware. Many items are made from eco-friendly materials, supporting both artisans and the planet. Fourth, Parachute. Parachute stands out with its focus on quality and comfort, specializing in natural and organic bedding. This woman-owned brand offers a variety of items to enhance your living space. All bedding is tested to be free from harmful substances, ensuring a cozy retreat. Fifth, CB2. CB2 is known for its modern and sleek designs, perfect for contemporary spaces. Compared to its sister brand, CB2 offers lower prices without sacrificing style. You have 90 days to return non-furniture items, making shopping stress-free. Sixth, Jonathan Adler. Jonathan Adler brings joy and creativity into your home with bold and playful designs. Each piece is crafted with care, ensuring durability and style. Seventh, Scandinavian Designs. Scandinavian Designs offers a wide range of contemporary furniture and decor. Their designs reflect the clean lines and minimalism that Scandinavian decor is known for. Eighth, Found. Found specializes in offering a wide range of items that can transform your space into something extraordinary. Each item has its own story, making your home decor feel personal and special. And last but not least, Wayfair. Wayfair offers a huge variety of items, from furniture to decor, all at lower prices than many other retailers. You can find pieces that look like they belong in a designer showroom, but at a fraction of the cost. In 2024, finding the right home decor store can make a big difference in how your space looks and feels. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you thought of these recommendations, and please subscribe for more videos on reading nooks and all things home decor. Until next time, cheers.